On the next Quilt Show, we're bringing you a masterclass on handwork. Essentially, we're keeping you in stitches with a variety of artists who love handwork.
See how that's pulling that in?
From the classic basic stitches of redwork to the classic and elegant stitches of Sashiko.
I'm going to loop that over my little tail and hold my tail down.
Look at that.
And just kind of,
So that's going to hold it in place.
yeah, so there isn't a big knot on the back.
And then on to more involved stitches. Have you heard of the cast-on stitch?
When you put on the petals after the first petal, they will tend to flip down and wrap around the previous petals.
Well, you're about to learn how to make this amazing hand embellishment.
It's an entire hour devoted to handwork with a focus on the stitches.
These are stitches in time you will want to rewind over and over and over.
Join us for this masterclass on stitches and handwork at thequiltshow.com.